Hello friends, welcome. Now in this video we are going to understand what is GST. Goods and Services Tax is an indirect tax used in India on the supply of goods and services. It is a comprehensive, multi-stage and destination based tax. Comprehensive because it has subsumed almost all the indirect taxes in India. GST is not a new tax but a new regime of existing indirect taxes in India. In the earlier indirect tax regime, there were many indirect taxes levied by both central and state governments. States mainly collected taxes in the form of VAT, value added tax. Every state had a different set of rules and regulations. And on interstate supplies, central government used to collect a CST called as Central Sales Tax. And the list of indirect taxes are in the pre-GST regime, and they are central excess duty, duties of excise, additional duties of excise, additional duties of customs, special additional duty of customs, cess, state VAT, central sales tax, purchase tax, luxury tax, entry tax, entertainment tax, taxes on advertisements, and so on. CGST, SGST and IGST have replaced all the above taxes. Now understand what is the journey of GST in India. The GST journey began in the year 2000 when a committee was set up to draft law. It took 17 years from then for the law to evolve. The Goods and Services Tax was passed in the Parliament on 29th of March 2017 and came into effect on 1st of July 2017. And what are the objectives of GST? The GST have a main object, that is to achieving ideology of one nation and one tax, and to subsume majority of the indirect taxes in India. The third one, to eliminate the cascading effect of taxes and to curb tax evasion, and also to increase the taxpayer base and online procedures for ease of doing business, and improved logistics and distribution system, and also to promote competitive pricing and increase consumption of goods and services. What are the advantages of GST? GST has mainly removed the cascading effect on the sale of goods and services. Removal of cascading effect has impacted the cost of goods. Since the GST regime eliminated the tax on tax, the cost of goods decreases. And also GST mainly technologically driven. All the activities like GST registration, GST returns filing, GST application for refund, and also response to notices needs to be done online on the GST portal, which accelerates the processes. And what are the components of GST? There are totally 3 components applicable under this GST system, and they are CGST, SGST and IGST. CGST stands for Central Goods and Services Tax, and SGST stands for State Goods and Services Tax, and IGST stands for Integrated Goods and Services Tax. And there is one more type of tax, that is UTGST, which comes under CGST Act, that we'll discuss later on the coming session, right? Thank you.